We divide 913 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 1 and it is 41. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 1. So again we put down these 3 and it is 13. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 913 divided by 5 is 182.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.